Hello my dear student, today I am going to discuss an important numericals of class 11. It is taken from projectile motion. This is the question, you can see, you can note it, and you can note it from the description also. I have written the question in description. A ball rolls off a top of a stairway with a constant horizontal velocity u. Here horizontal velocity is u. You may say that ball is a projectile and it is thrown in horizontal direction with velocity u. If the steps are h meter high, the height of the steps are h and the width of the steps are w. Height and width are given here of the steps meter wide, so that the ball will just hit the edge of nth step. Means after ball will fall down after nth step. If the number of steps is n is given by 2h u square by g w square, where h is the height of a step, w is the width of the step, and u is the initial velocity, g is the acceleration due to gravity. To solve this problem, first of all I have made this figure. This is the stairways. Here the ball is thrown from here with initial velocity, and since it moves under gravity, so its path will be parabolic and it will hit the nth step at this point. So what is this height? If we take number of stairs n, then height is of one is h. So vertical distance along y-axis, y direction, we can write n into h. Similarly, along horizontal direction, as the width is w, therefore a number of stairs are n. So this range, this width, this distance along horizontal displacement will be nw. Now let the time taken by the ball to reach to the edge of nth stair is t. Let this is the time t. So the horizontal range r a. This is the horizontal distance. Horizontal range will be equal to horizontal distance, and that will be nw. So I have written here nw, and we are taking the motion of the ball along x-axis. So the velocity is there, but there is no acceleration. So using equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. So a acceleration is 0, so half at square is 0. Therefore range nw is equal to here ut, and from this ut we have calculated time nw by u. This is equation number 1. Now we are taking the motion of this ball along y-axis as it is falling down, and we are using the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. In this case, what will happen? We have not given the initial velocity of the ball along y-axis, so the initial velocity will become 0, and this is the equation in which uy will 0, so it will become 0, and then it is half gt square. So we have taken here half gt square, and y is this one vertical displacement nh. So nh is equal to nh. We can write nh is equal to half gt square. This is equation number 2. We have written here equation number 2. Now using equation 1 in equation 2, we will get what we will get here. nh is equal to, this is 1 by 2 g and in place of T we will write N W by U, and this is a square here, so it will be square, so it will be equal to Gn square omega square by 2U square. So we can now solve for N. We have to calculate the value of N here. So we can see here NH is equal to Gn square omega square 2U square. So N get here cancelled. So we will multiply, cross multiply 2U square H by G omega square is equal to N. That is the required expression which is here. N is equal to 2HU square divided by G omega square, and this is the required expression. So ball will hit the edge of the nth stair.